Welcome back to LGS Cars. What happens when legendary toughness is combined with smart hybrid technology and contemporary luxury design? The answer lies in the all-new Toyota Fortuner 2026, a bold evolution ready to shake up the SUV world. Exterior design, bold, muscular, and modern. The Toyota Fortuner 2026 debuts with a completely redefined look, retaining its rugged SUV DNA while embracing sharper styling and premium details. Front fascia, a massive chrome-accented grille paired with sleek matrix LED headlights that cut a fierce, futuristic impression. Body lines, strong sculpted contours enhance the Fortuner's commanding road presence. Wheels, new 20-inch alloy wheels with a sportier design. Rear end, redesigned LED taillights connected by a chrome garnish for a wider stance. The result is a Fortuner that looks equally at home on rugged off-road terrain as it does on the streets of a modern metropolis. Interior, premium space meets family comfort. Step inside and the Fortuner 2026 impresses with a cabin that blends luxury and practicality. A new soft-touch dashboard with brushed aluminum or wood accents. A massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster with customizable themes. Ventilated leather seats with electric adjustments and memory function. 64-color ambient lighting to elevate the premium atmosphere. Spacious 3-row seating and improved sound insulation make long journeys smoother and more enjoyable for the whole family. Powertrain and performance, strength meets efficiency. Toyota has upgraded the Fortuner's performance lineup with a focus on power and eco-friendly innovation. 2.8-liter turbo diesel, enhanced torque and efficiency, perfect for heavy-duty use. 2.4-liter turbo hybrid engine, a new addition combining turbocharged power with electric assistance, delivering brisk acceleration, better fuel economy, and reduced emissions. 4x4 drivetrain with drive modes, improved off-road capability with selectable terrain settings. The suspension has also been fine-tuned for greater stability and comfort, ensuring the Fortuner handles both rough trails and smooth highways with equal confidence. Safety and smart features. The 2026 Fortuner comes loaded with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with lane keeping assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree surround view camera with parking assist. Additionally, the SUV integrates cloud-based connectivity and over-the-air updates, ensuring your Fortuner always stays ahead in technology. Conclusion. The Toyota Fortuner 2026 is not just an upgrade, it's a reinvention. Combining rugged durability, luxurious comfort, hybrid efficiency, and cutting-edge safety, it redefines what a modern SUV can be. For those who seek a vehicle that can conquer mountains while offering premium comfort in the city, the Fortuner 2026 is the ultimate SUV evolution.